This express weave with satin extensions, that's what I'm calling them anyway, took 20 minutes to install and requires no glue on your hair, no sewing or cornrows, and it is protective and comfortable. Let's get into it. Step 1, make the extensions. Start with satin elastics and cut them. Yes, an elastic, hate to see me coming. Pull the inside elastic out so you're left only with the satin casing, and use a flat iron to smooth and flatten. All right, lay them on a flat surface and cover one entire side with bonding glue. Then attach as many tracks as you can fit on that side. Flip over and do the other side. I used 2 full packs of hair. Step 2, prep your hair. Start with a leave out. I did a big V-part leave out with some on the sides. Then, starting from the bottom, part your hair into rows and split each row in half. Braid each half as close to the edge as possible. I did 4 rows. Step 3, attach the extensions. Before you can attach them, you have to measure each section and cut it to the length of half the row. Now grab a hair beading tool and slide the pointy end through the inside of the extensions. Hook the braid through the hole of the beading tool and pull the braid through the extensions. Now connect both sides and attach with an elastic. These are not those cheap tiny rubber bands, these are a little bit sturdier. Do the same thing with the next row, but this time add the tail of the row below to close any gaps. Do this all the way up. For the very top row, I didn't connect the tail from below because I wanted to tuck that top ponytail under and have it be as flat as possible. Now just style your hair like you would a regular sew-in and boom, you're done. This was my first time trying this and I loved it, but I would do a few things differently. I would have used more hair, 3 packs would have been better. Made more than 4 rows so that the extensions would lay more flat. I probably would have tried 6 rows. And if you're gonna try it, I would use fabric glue instead of hair bonding glue so that you can take these out, wash them, and reuse them.